I am Karl Landsteiner, the scientist who discovered blood groups. Let's learn blood is divided into different groups based on the presence or absence of certain proteins called antigens. The most common system for classifying blood is the ABO blood group system. Type A blood has A antigens on the surface of red blood cells and produces antibodies against type B. People with type B blood have B antigens and produce antibodies against type A. Type AB blood has both A and B antigens and does not produce antibodies against either group. O blood has no A or B antigens, but it produces antibodies against both A and B, type O. In addition to the ABO system, there is the RH factor, which can be positive plus none or negative. The RR factor must be matched during blood transfusions for safe compatibility. Understanding blood types and RH compatibility is essential for safe blood donation and transfusions. Thank you for learning about the ABO system and RH factor. Remember, safe blood transfusions help save lives.